Part 3, the front decrease and increase. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Now we are ready to decrease. With our row 14, it is the same as all the other rows before. You start them off the same way. You make 30 clusters, and that's it. That's how you decrease. Super easy, right? So we have our 3 double crochet and chain 1, and now I'm going to double crochet in the next chain space. And that's it. And this is the same for row 16, except you're going to decrease just one more. And now we're going to attach our new yarn color. In row 15, we are going to chain 3. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. Turn our work. We have our chain 3, and we do our 3 double crochet. And then you just keep doing the chain 1 and 3 double crochet. We're going to decrease one more time in your row 16, the exact same way. All right, I wanted to show you what the decreases are looking like. So this is my row 14. So I did the 30 clusters, and then I chained 1 and double crocheted. Then with my white yarn, I chained 4, and then you skip this first chain space. And then you go ahead and you do your 3 double crochet, chain 1, all the way to the end. Then you come back with the brown, and you're going to stop at 29 clusters and do a chain 1 double crochet, all right? And then change my color, chain 4, turn our work, and you're going to skip this first space, and then we're going to start here because we want one less than this guy, right? And do our 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and we'll start the rest of it. And yes, you're going to have lots of ends to weave. All right, now we are at the increase stage. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. I already showed you how to increase 1 cluster because I already showed you how to do the back, but the front has 4 more clusters. So we have 1 more peach to do. So this next one, we're going to prep for our row 34 cluster. And by doing that, we have to chain 17. We cut our yarn, and then we turn our work, and now we're going to find our chain 1. So we see our chain, we did chain 17, so our first chain, which is right here, we're going to go through it, and then we chain 4. So we just kind of forget about our chain 17 for this row, because now it's all set up for our increase row, which is our next one. And then we just do what we normally do, 3 double crochet and chain 1. This is what it should look like. Just trust. Trust the process. All right. So now we're at the end. So now we have our little tail to increase. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go in this 4th chain. And 3 double crochet. And this is what we did on our first row. Now we chain 1, and that's what it'll look like. So we just do this 2 more times. So we have a total of 34.